And I quote, Vanessa says, "Get me massaging my stomach. It is a normal Monday when it is in fact Friday." Good morning, guys. I just want to talk to you.
Oh my gosh.
But living in an apartment's high-key loud, and some dude is doing construction literally right outside my window. So I guess I'm talking to you in the middle of our hall.
Please.
Chill. Or I'm doing it in Vanessa's room. Okay, focus.
Not cute.
Hey guys, good morning. This is my first time like popping in, actually talking to you. But basically, I washed my teeth, washed my face. I want to pop in here real quick and say a huge thank you to Believe for sponsoring this video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys Believe moisturizing balm, and this is one of my recent favorite products. I use this pretty much like in the day and night for my moisturizer. It's just a super moisturizing moisturizer. Thank you, Melanie. But I love this because it keeps me nice and moisturized, and if you guys know, my skin is really dry and it's so annoying. So I'm so in love with this product. It feels super luxurious, but for an affordable price. So I totally recommend checking out Sephora and picking one up. I also think this would make such a great Christmas gift, especially because it's pretty affordable, but it feels so high-end, and it's a great gift for anyone they do or don't know a lot about skincare, and it's just a nice thoughtful gift. It feels so nice. This would also make a great holiday gift just because like everyone's skin, even if they have like combo or whatever, their skin needs a little help during the winter season, you know, holiday season. So I think it's a super fitting gift, you know. I also love that this moisturizer is really good for sensitive and combination, actually like a lot of skin types, but it works really well for my sensitive skin because a lot of things make me break out, but this one did not. Very nice and soothing and nourishing on my skin. So I used this, and my face was feeling super dry this morning. So now that I got my skin all nice and moisturized, Vanessa and I are gonna go get coffee and then grocery shop. But I just wanted to pop in, say hi, say huge thank you to Believe for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in the next couple clips. I'm not looking cute this morning, but the groceries, necessity. Coffee is also a necessity, and we're obsessed with this mushroom coffee that you can get at like only certain grocery stores. And we're gonna show you a little life hack, okay?
Dude, did you put banana cream pie in the refrigerator?
Oh, was I supposed to know that?
Yeah, because it's a cool pie.
We're showing you a life.
Did you show Gibby?
Oh.
How could I forget? Okay guys, well, I'm gonna post a apartment tour, but here's a little sneak peek. You already know,
Gibby.
but we have some new additions.
Nice.
Okay, now, so basically, I'll show you our coffee hack. This ice chunk sucks. But you guys know the Starbucks drink hack. We're doing that, but not with Starbucks. We're doing it with our mushroom coffee, black coffee. And then you'll see part 2 as we go. And grocery store time because we ran out of dip and mushroom. Look at my skin. Look at Bob Ross.
What do I have to say to keep you by my side?
Look, macrames, macromies, macroblaze, macros.
Maybe 1, loving 2, and now it's 3.
Okay, so we got our chagachinos, but show me your big brain energy.
See, that's very powerful, you know?
Exactly. Okay, watch this.
Big brain.
Perfect. Wow. And we have our perfect concoctions.
3 a.m. thinking, what if it's you?
Oh, guess what we're getting?
Oh.
You need to get ones that like look nice.
She's really being selective today. Oh, see? Doesn't that look good? Bro. Is it not here? Oh my god. My heart. Okay, well, let's try something. Remember when we tried this and it sucked?
I know, dude, we still have that in there.
Yeah.
I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Having my own.
Guys, do you see this? This is how you know we refused to make 2 grocery trips. I was carrying my watermelon on this, and it hurt so bad. That's just not the best angle right now. We're gonna give you a grocery haul.
I'm gonna pee first though.
Okay, well, I'm gonna start giving you a grocery haul while Vanessa pees.
Wait, but I'm gonna tear my pee.
Okay.
So we're gonna wait for Vanessa to pee. What did you just do? That was just so funny. Ooh, we'll position you right here so you can see Gibby. Smile, smile. Okay guys, so grocery haul. We went on our usual route, Trader Joe's and Sprouts.
Ice! Yeah!
So exciting, so exciting.
Remember when we tried to make our own ice when we first moved?
Balls!
Well, that's because I was raised making my own ice.
I did too, honestly, but then
Yeah.
we got those really bad ice cubes.
Dude, you can't blame it on the ice cube trays. You really cannot.
These ice cubes did nothing.
I'm gonna make this ice real quick.
Make the ice.
And then I'll finish the haul. Ice.
Yes. What should we start off with? Trader Joe's or Sprouts? So, we haven't seen Tim in a while.
Yeah, I haven't been there. What the heck?
Melanie got soy milk.
Yay!
I love soy milk. Yay.
Then we got this coconut yogurt. Lauren says she really likes this one too.
Really?
Yeah. Everyone who has tried it really
So,
likes it.
friend V really likes this other coconut yogurt. However, it's super expensive.
This is so expensive though.
Really?
This is $7.
Oh, we should try hers. But hers is like a tiny single pack.
That's not
like
this
one of
is-
those.
This is nice.
Yeah.
And then we got enlightened brownies and cookie dough. Wait, shoot. I didn't get dairy free.
Well, that's an issue.
Well, Eric can enjoy this and I'll buy dairy-free ice cream. I'll give it to him with his pie. I'm sad. This looks so
What's in
good. Coconut. Cool
Oh,
Whip.
I'm so excited
Because
for
we
that.
wanted to get Cool Whip, but I can't process Cool Whip. I know.
Oh, I'm so excited to have ice cream with pie tonight!
You can have my So Delicious one.
What flavor is it?
It's the vanilla one with oat milk. I think I'm gonna stop eating it because I think it gives me minor allergic reactions. Do you guys know what I'm saying when you itch your throat like with your tongue? Like that?
Please tell me.
Please tell, because I've asked so many people and everyone just looks very confused. Okay, I'll show you guys what we got from Trader Joe's. It's our regular thing. We also got a watermelon. I hope it's good. From Trader Joe's, of course, we got our
Oh, I forgot to get
the circular mushroom. We'll get them somehow. We got mushroom. We got some new dip. Cauliflower jalapeno one, which we haven't tried. We got chocolate hummus, which I don't think I can eat.
Hummus.
I really feel like I just can eat this. I want to try it sometime. And then we got this one. This is one of our favorites. You should try it. Spinach and kale Greek yogurt. And then I got this because I saw it on the Trader Joe's Instagram that I look at literally like 5 times a day. And it's Korean inspired bulgogi beef fried rice with kimchi. That just sounds so good. Maybe I'll make that tonight. And then we also got this mushroom seasoning, which is our favorite. We put it on like our Brussels sprouts and
literally everything.
it's so good. And I think that's it for our haul. Right?
I want to taste this. Looking at this for so long on the
I
interwebs.
smell it.
Yeah.
Okay, well that's our grocery haul. I'll see you whenever I see you. Look how stocked we are on fruit.
That's so beautiful. Beautiful.
Rate it?
8.
8.
We added like seasoning.
Which seasoning do you think would go with it though? Mushroom. I feel like the spice would go. Oopsies. So here's how we do it. We grab,
Mushy.
oh, it's really creamy. We put this on everything.
So good.
You go like this. That was kind of a lot, but oh well.
No, we'll eat it all anyway.
We definitely will. Then you grab a little mushy and you take it in the back.
Fabulous.
Sensations, hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the morning.
Hi, so I just changed into my
Super
cute outfit. I'm gonna go on a little skate to Michael's to buy some craft supplies because, okay, I brought a majority of my craft stuff here. I didn't bring any jewelry making stuff. And the other day when I went to the beach, I picked, I don't know if it was,
Is this illegal?
I picked a lot of shells.
No.
Okay, well, I got a lot of cute shells. I want to go get some wire so that I can turn them into like jewelry. Probably rings, because I've been obsessed with rings. I should try and finish it today, because that made my life a whole lot easier so I don't have to. Okay, by the time I get back, you should have your thesis submitted.
Yeah, that's a good. I'm
gonna talk.
Keeping me accountable.
Yeah, what would you do without me?
I would not be alive.
Yeah, okay, so what are you gonna accomplish by the time?
I will finish my thesis at least and have that submitted.
Okay, and if you don't, my entire video.
Everyone will unsubscribe to me. You have the right to.
Yeah, not me though. Don't unsubscribe.
No.
How did this move over here?
I was actually thinking.
It moved. It used to be in the kitchen. It used to be over here.
From last night.
Oh, yeah, it used to be right over here by Gibby, but now he's moving to other Gibby. It's because last night there was literally a full-on hurricane.
I thought I was gonna die.
Okay, I'll see you after my skate, after Vanessa turns in her thesis.
I hope that you're coming back home. Look at you, eyes as soft as that ocean blue. Falling in, learn to swim like I never knew. I see
Hi guys, so I'm back from my skate. I'm hungry and I want to make this thing that I got from Trader Joe's, and I think I can just microwave it.
Amazing. Peppa.
And I'm also drinking more coffee because my coffee cutoff is like 4. Like I can't start a new cup after 4, but it's 3:30.
So.
Alright guys, so this is my finished little meal snack. I just made the bulgogi rice with a little bit of frozen broccoli to add more veggies, and then I put like sriracha and hot sauce on top because I love spicy stuff. I already tried a little bit of it and it's really, really good. Oh, I also posted on my Instagram stories my review because I'm making a whole new highlight tab, whatever it's called, Trader Joe's stuff, because I'm obsessed with Trader Joe's. Honestly, I think I would give this maybe an 8. I reviewed a couple other things we tried. There were like dips. Those were okay. But that's it for my little update for now. I'm just gonna eat this and then I'll catch up with you guys in a tad. This room just looks so funny. Oh, also tell them, were you successful on your writing? Nice.
I actually finished it in like half an hour.
Impressive. I know I said I was gonna film later, but I have attachment issues to my camera, so I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Why don't I use a tripod? Okay, well I'm gonna be sitting like this, but I'm gonna show you guys a quick haul. Literally like the 3 things I got from Hobby Lobby. Today's Black Friday, but they just didn't give me any sales and I'm kind of upset. I got this, not 1, but 2 different kinds of wire. It's been like 2 seconds.
Not 2 seconds, but.
I'm gonna try to make some jewelry. I'll record the process.
Yeah, now everything will be okay. There's no small doses, smell of roses.
Hi guys, little update. I know I'm in the same position, but it's actually quite some time later. We went on a little sunset drive.
That's the same thing. That is the same thing. I'm so astonished.
Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Having my own conversations, hoping you will come and save me.
I added some clips of that, but I'm back at my beading station, and this is one of the rings that I made, and I really enjoy it. I also, however,
Stabbed myself.
and I know this is a very tiny wound, but it hurts really bad, so I think I'm gonna need another Peppa Band-Aid, which is really embarrassing because I quite literally have, I think I have 3 Band-Aids.
Oh my gosh.
I'm having the time of my life. I think that's pretty much it for today's video. I also realized I didn't really make an intro, but thanks for watching. That was a day in my life. Thanks again to Believe for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
I know it's getting late.